Now hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. This one. Now tie that on the mule. Tie that on the mule. Get on the mule. Get on the mule.
Hey! Where are the tools? In the saddlebag. You better hand them to me. Okay.
What are you trying to do?
I want to get the mule down.
Never mind that now. We'll attend to that later. Maybe we can get in through here.
That's a good idea.
Shh. 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 Shh.
Wait there. We'll be right up.